how to choose a tax agent. Myself, Vedalekha, I am going to give you few tips as to how you have to choose your tax agent. The most important reason why we have to hire a tax agent is to make our compliance, whatever tax compliance, tax filing, badges and all those things to be done on time, and the tax liability has to be paid on time, and we don't get any notice from ATO, or there is no non-compliance happens or any penalty or interest we don't pay. So this is the main reason. When we hire a tax agent, it is his responsibility to take care of all these things and do everything on time. So the first thing is a quality of service. So first thing, tax agent needs to have a good understanding of the law and has to be excellent in interpretation skills, and he has to take care of our compliance on time. In case of individual tax return, the tax agent needs to listen to us and he needs to see what are all the avenues where we can claim the expenses. So what are all the deductions we are really eligible, give us a proper guidance as to how we can claim these things, and he has to take all those things and get a good benefit from the in filing the tax return. Some tax agents will claim a lot of expenses and make you a good refund and make you more happy, but it doesn't mean that so is a good tax agent. The important thing is, like, if tomorrow ATO came to know that so you are not eligible for certain deductions, then you need to pay a huge penalty and also a lot of interest. So be mindful when you are getting a good refund. So don't just decide that this tax agent is good. Second thing is in terms of business. So when you are going with for a having a business and going to a tax agent, then you need to remember that the tax agent responsibility are very big here. So tax agent just not only file your quarterly basis and tax return, but also he has to vigilant. So he has to review his performance of your business, and at least once a month he has to talk to you and present your performance of the business and guide you as to wherever you have a problem with your business. So those things he has to discuss with you and give you a good idea as to how you have to take care to control the losses or improve your business and grow to a next level. So that's all the additional responsibility which every taxation deserves to give you their clients. But unfortunately, 60 to 80% of the tax agents are not doing beyond just of tax compliance. So the next point is responsibility. So responsibility here means, so when you hire a tax agent, it is his responsibility to comply with your tax provisions or tax laws, and he has to file the tax return. He has to ask you whatever information he needs from you, and he has to guide you or intimate you when the tax liability has to be paid, and he has to make sure that you don't pay any penalty. So unfortunately, say some of the tax agents, so the clients are finding very hard to talk to the tax agents, and tax agent doesn't give enough time to discuss with the clients' businesses or tax matters with the clients. And so in such cases, remember, so you may pay a penalty, or you may not get a good refund, good tax concessions. You don't claim wherever you are really eligible those deductions, and better you need to change the tax agent. So when you are hiring or when you are deciding to hire new tax agent, please check yourself, ask them the basic questions, and try to understand how best he responds and how good he listens to your issues or the queries, and how best he is guiding you through the basic things, and then only you decide as to which accountant you need to go to. Thank you. Thanks for watching.